Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing chicken foot stew peas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So to my pressure cooker, I'm gonna go ahead and add some water. Now I turn on my stove, so all I'm gonna add to this now is some garlic. I will also go ahead and add my red kidney beans. I will also add my chicken foot, and I have some beef, some corned beef, just a small amount. I went ahead and just boil it one time, and then I just slice it up in some smaller piece, and I'm gonna add it to this as well. I'm gonna go ahead and pressure this for roughly about half an hour, and then after half an hour I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. Now while that is pressuring, you can always go ahead and make up your dough for your spinners to add to your stew peas, and you can always go ahead and chop up your onion, your scallion, your thyme, and all of that goodness. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can even visit your local meat shop, and of course you'll get chicken foot there as well as corned beef. So this is it. After half an hour, it's all pressured. So what you can do, you can always go ahead and squeeze into one of the red peas, and if it squeezed without you applying a lot of pressure, then you know it is all ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my spinners, and of course I have my coconut milk powder that I will add to this. If you guys have the authentic coconut milk at home, remember you can always go ahead and use it. As I said, while I was pressuring the peas and the chicken foot and all of that goodness, I went ahead and just chop up some onions, some scallion, some of my French thyme, and of course I add some more garlic, and I will also add my scotch bonnet pepper to this. Now I'm gonna go in and add my coconut milk powder. You can always go ahead and add some of your all-purpose seasoning, or you can just choose to add a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt, and that's basically it. So once you add your coconut milk powder, you just combine everything together nicely. Once everything is nicely combined, you're gonna go ahead and add your onion, your scallion, and all of that goodness that you chop up earlier, and then you just combine everything. Remember to always taste again, and basically just gonna cover it and allow it to simmer down. Now try not to allow this to simmer too much, because you don't want all of that goodness to just dry out. You want to have gravy and all of that goodness for your stew peas. So in a few minutes I will come back and show you guys the final product of this amazing chicken foot stew peas. Stay tuned for it. Remember, you can always go ahead and have this with some white rice. I know some persons like to have their stew peas with rice and peas, but it's up to you. You can always go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you have your stew peas with. And there you have it, guys, the final product of my amazing stew peas. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel. We're on our way to 8K subscribers. Help me get there. Subscribe, share with your families and your friends, and have them subscribe to Callie J's Kitchen. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and see you tomorrow for another awesome one. Bye guys, and thank you again for watching.